Hi, a new day, a new question, again on fractions, again a word problem, and again a fraction word problem that has to be solved using models, or that can be solved using models. Let's take a look at the question. This is the question. Sally, Halim, and Jack share $240. Sally receives one-third as much money as Jack. After Halim gave $20 of his money to Sally, Sally has half as much money as Jack. How much money does Halim have at first? Okay, very wordy question. Let me just move to another screen whereby we move the question to the top so that leaves us with more space for working. It's so wordy that we don't really have much space left for working, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, let's take a look. Sally, Halim, and Jack share $240. Okay, clue. Yes, first clue is here already. That they share $240. Okay, we have to keep this in mind. That the total amount of money shared amongst the three of them is $240. Next clue. Sally receives one-third as much money as Jack. Now, in model terms, this means that Sally would have received one part to Jack's three parts. That's why we say Sally received one-third as much money as Jack. Okay, for the one part that Sally receives, Jack receives three parts. Okay, next clue. After Halim gave $20 of his money to Sally, so Halim gave $20 of his money to Sally. Sally has half as much money as Jack. Okay, now let's go back to the first model that we have drawn. Obviously, in this model here, Sally does not have half as much money as Jack. This is before she was given the money by Halim. Here, Sally only has one-third as much money as Jack. For Sally to have half as much money as Jack, right, we need to draw out this. Okay, then this shows that Sally has half as much money as Jack. And by the way, this is $20 given by Halim. But for models, we don't like units of different shapes. It makes life difficult. So then if we have this half here, it will be wiser to split this as well. So now it's 3 equal parts. Likewise for all this, so that means Jack here has got 6 equal parts. If you remember yesterday's problems, it's the same thing. Initially we had the $240, and then after that we had 1 part ring, 3 parts remaining money, right? In the end, everything was split equally into 9 parts. We had 9 equal parts. Likewise for this. So remember for models, right, for a large number of model questions, we don't like units that are unequal. So when we see units that are unequal, right, we try to break them down into common parts, into the same parts, okay, like here. Okay, so back to this question. How much money does Halim have at first? We don't even know how much Halim has now, okay? So we just draw an unequal part that we don't like, but not to worry, okay? Remember the first piece of information, that the three of them share $240. So what we know is that all three of them share $240. In other words, all these units, the 9 equal units here, the unknown unit here, will add up to $240. And actually, this can be solved already. Why? Because we see here that Sally has got 3 parts, right? And Jack has got 6 parts. So here we have got 9 equal parts. And we know that each part is $20. So let's call the parts units. Okay, 1 unit is actually $20. And we know that here Sally and Jack would eventually have 9 units. So that is actually $20 times 9. It means that's $180. Okay. So then we can find how much Halim has here, right? Because we know that all three of them share $240, and so if Sally and Jack, between them, they are holding $180, then Halim must be holding $240 minus $180, which is $60. Is this the answer? No. Read the question carefully, okay? The question reads, how much money does Halim have at first? This is what Halim has after giving that $20 to Sally. So to find how much money he has at first, we have to add back this $20. So Halim at first would have $60 plus the $20 that he gave to Sally, and that would be $80. So please be very careful, because if you forget this and you just stop here, you will lose, I think, at least 2 marks. Method mark for the last step, as well as the answer mark. Okay, so please remember to read your question carefully.